Hello and welcome. Today we will be creating this Excel pivot table in under 4 minutes using data extracted from Jira using the IonaFX Business Intelligence Export plugin. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get our data. So I'll launch Internet Explorer and go to my Jira site. I will log in with my credentials and I'll select any issue here just so I can get a quick link over to the Reports tab. Once I've got it, I'll scroll down to Business Intelligence Export and launch that. And I'll enter some dates for a time period in which I'm interested. In this case, it will be January, the whole month of January. I'll click Next. Once the data is ready, it'll present me with some download options, and I'll choose Spreadsheet, Save, and that's all we need to do in the browser, so I'll close that. Next, I'll open up Excel so we can start importing our data and creating our pivot table. I'll go to Open, Browse, and Downloads, and I'll change the file type over to text files. And there's our data. I'll double click it to open it in Excel. Now with all our data loaded in Excel, I'll go up to the menu bar here and I'll select Insert Pivot Table. And I'll click OK to accept the recommended range, which is the entire data set. Now I want to see the amount of hours logged for each of the projects on which we were working in January, and that's basically work logged by project. From the online user manual and its data dictionary for the IonaFX Business Intelligence Export tool, I know that the downloaded data contains 3 types of rows: issues, work logs, and comments, and that time is logged onto the work log rows of our data set, and it's named work log time spent. So the first thing I'm going to do is filter by record type and just get my work log rows. So I drag record type down to filters, and then I'll use its drop down to select W for work logs. Now I want that work log time spent as my aggregated field, so I will go down to work log time spent and drag it to values, and it automatically gives me some because it sees that it's a numeric field, and I want to group these by their project, so I'll grab the project name and drag it to rows. And that's it. That's a simple pivot table. There's one little change that I'd like to make here. I'd like to see the project with the most time logged up at the top here, and the rest listed in descending order by time logged. And to do that, I'll just right click on any one of these sums here, go to Sort, and select Sort Largest to Smallest. And now that's truly it. We've created an Excel pivot table using data from Jira extracted with the IonaFX Business Intelligence Export tool, which is available on the Atlassian Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Bye.